Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about how to fix the C-F2 error code. But first, what does C-F2 mean? The C-F2 error code on your oven is caused by a communication issue between the main control board and the touchpad. Consequently, some of the touch controls could be unresponsive upon using them. You may also notice that pressing a touch control responds somewhere different. The following are some of the common causes of the C-F2 error: power surge or system glitch. A sudden glitch or power surge could disrupt the oven's communication, leading to the C-F2 error code. Defective control board. When the control board is faulty, it cannot communicate with the oven for proper functionality. That causes the C-F2 error. Dirty touchpad. Dirt on the touchpad interferes with its ability to register touch. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the C-F2 error. Reset the unit. To reset the oven, do the following. Shut the unit off. Disconnect the oven from the power source. Alternatively, turn its switch off at the circuit breaker. Next, leave the oven for at most 3 minutes. In doing so, any power left will dissipate. After the time has elapsed, reconnect the oven to the electrical outlet. Alternatively, turn its switch on at the circuit breaker. Power up the unit and see if the error has cleared. Replace the control board. To do this replacement, take these steps. Locate the oven door frame. At its top edge, take out the screws to get to the control panel. The control board is within the panel. Examine the control board to find signs of damage and displacement. If you see no damage signs, check for electrical defects. Get a multimeter and place it on the board's terminals. In doing so, you are testing for continuity. If you find that a replacement is necessary, start by taking a picture of the board. You will refer to it when installing the ribbon cable on the control board. Next, carefully unscrew the control board from its position. Upon doing that, separate it from the control panel. Get the new control board and put it in place in the panel. Refer to the picture you took earlier for guidance on how to do this. Install the appropriate fasteners to hold the control panel in place, then reassemble the rest of the oven. Lastly, plug the appliance back in and power it up. Check to see if the code has cleared. Clean the touchpad. Follow these steps to clean the pad. Get some warm water and mix in some detergent. Spray the mixture on a soft and clean piece of cloth. Carefully but thoroughly wipe the touchpad using the cloth. Be keen to remove any accumulated grime. If you encounter any stubborn areas, scrub the dirt off using a toothbrush. You could also scrub with a soft brush. Once done, dry the pad thoroughly, then reset the unit. Observe whether the error has cleared. Thanks for watching.